Hello everyone, welcome to this 36 video on Excel. In this video, we'll see how we can create a waterfall chart in Excel. So you can see on my screen, we have a data which is kind of a profit and loss statement. So we have categories like sales revenue, other revenue, cost of goods sold, overhead, taxes, and net income. And as sales revenue, other revenue are inflows, these are positive numbers, while cost of goods sold, overhead, and taxes are outflow. So these are negative numbers. And at the end, we have net income. So to create a waterfall chart, we have to select this data. Then we have to click on insert. And at the end, we have this waterfall chart in others. So once we select this, we'll get a chart like this, where you can see this sales revenue and other revenue, they are positive. And then this cost of goods sold, overhead, and taxes, they are negative numbers. And at the end, we have net income. And to make any modification to this chart, to do some formatting, what we can do is that we can double click on this chart and then we'll get this. So here we can make the changes. We can change the chart title to waterfall chart, and then we can make it bold. We can even change the color of the uh, this to something else, and we can even increase the font size, so we can make it large. We can say 18. Now if you see this, we have other options as well. We can do some changes in the horizontal axis. You see measure type none, minor type none, the gap width is mentioned here, label position next to axis. So let's see, there is no other option here, but yeah, we can make it bold. So when we do this bold, and these values on x-axis, they change, and we can in fact change the color as well. So let's do that. Let's change the color to say this. Okay, and yeah, and then we can also add an axis title if you want. Right now I'll just keep it as it is. And then in the vertical axis, these are the options that we have. Kind of similar. We can again uh, make this bold, all these values that we have, and we can also increase the font size here. We can change the color here to something else. So these things we can do. And then other options that we have here is for this series value. So for that, here we just have an option to show connector lines, and then series name is again value here. We can enable or disable this data label. So again, as when you're showing actually this y-axis, you may not want to show this because you already have these grid lines as well. So it's up to you. But yeah, once we do these kind of formatting, the chart becomes nice and presentable. So I hope you like this video and you'll be using it in analysis or presentation. So do subscribe my channel and share this video amongst your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.